Hey everyone, welcome to the altcoin of the day, and it is today Hedge, and this is a very nice coin to pick up in my opinion. And Hedge is a kind of social trading platform where the signal providers are being rewarded by coins, and this is very interesting to take a look at the website as well. The Hedge you can find on CoinMarketCap and on hedgetrade.com, and here it is, hedgetrade.com. Take a look for that. The Hedge beta version is live now, and they're revolutionizing social trading using blockchain technology. So I'm taking a deep dive in that soon, and would like to do that as well as trader. And but anyway, would like to buy this coin for the swing trading portfolio, and it is ticker symbol Hedge, HEDG. Hedge and is trading now around $1.64, and it's ranked number 23 with a market cap of $472 million. And if you take a look at the chart on a daily basis based on the trading navigator, there is a sell exit actually from this severe steep sell-off from the we see here a very severe sell from the 2.50 to 1.67 now, and it has touched almost $1. And if you take a look at the hourly basis, the 4 hourly actually, there we see a very nice uptrend with a buy signal around 1.61. So we are not too late. And I see also here on this buy arrow, that is the blue one, that is a re-entry, and with a tight stop loss below 1.40. well, what is tight is 20% below this level, the highest level of 180. And what we are seeing now, that is that's very interesting to take a look at the price. Let's take a look. 160 or 150 support level. So I would like to pick some coins up for the swing trading portfolio for the shorter term. And my first target would be 2.20 more or less, and it's the high of 11 March. And we have to wait for, of course, more momentum, because the momentum is now a little bit diminishing, but that's nothing more or less than building up steam in my opinion. So Hedge is one to watch actually if you are looking for a very nice altcoin. Hedge is the coin to buy soon, I think. Albeit, always put stop loss. I wish you a very pleasant evening. Hasta la vista. Ciao.